This fire need not have happened. It's too late to think what might have been done to prevent it here, with thousands going up in flame and smoke and life in the balance. But such disasters reproach our carelessness. That is the lesson that must be driven home. Fire Prevention Week was boosted by the Home Secretary, Mr. Butler. Local authorities enthusiastically cooperated throughout the land. Earlier, the borough of Islington gave an example to the whole country, holding an exhibition to underline the perils lurking in the home. School children went in parties to see it. They'd been encouraged to submit posters they'd painted on the subject. They've learned there are more than 700 deaths a year from burning in British homes. Nearly 130,000 accident victims. Exhibited also was a room typical of many in the borough, showing causes of domestic accidents, not all of them burns. Left in the reach of young children, medicine and tablets can cause poisoning. Torn rugs lead to falls. The more crowded the home, the greater the risk. And there's always the child's nightdress that catches fire, often with fatal results. On this subject of burns and scalds in the home, hear the Professor of Pediatric Surgery at Great Ormond Street Children's Hospital.
Scalds in the home are most commonly due to the upsetting of cups of tea or other hot liquids when babies are being nursed at the table, or when rather older children are allowed to run about the floor and near cooking stoves and then catch hold of the handles of pots of hot liquids, or else they upset pots of hot liquids being heated on gas rings on the floor or on hobs at fireplaces. All these accidents are preventable, but they require constant care to be exercised by the parents.
Harking back to the nightdress danger, treated here are cotton and other fabrics that burn readily, the proban process making them nearly unburnable. But because the safe fabrics are dearer, many parents shut their eyes to danger. On the left, a processed cotton nightdress, an ordinary one on the right. The safe one doesn't burst into flames. It only smolders, giving the child or adult plenty of time to take it off. On a nationwide scale, everybody must fight the dangers in the home.